things you have to look out for when you are investing in a location is where there's development. You agree with me about that? So welcome to Crystal Estate located in Apowasa. As you can see, the clearing has been completed. This is a 3.5 hectare plot of land, an FCDA R of O property. The clearing has been completed. We await the fencing, but most especially the signage is standing, and this is great development. If you understand how Abuja real estate market works, you know that this is a great fit and an opportunity to also congratulate people who have invested in this location. Your money is increasing, and by the way, by the 7th of July 2026, the prices of this location will be increasing. But here is something that makes this location solid. First, the title. The title is an FCDA R of O location. Secondly, it's a location you can invest in and be rest assured that the money constantly increase. For example, I would always say that real estate investment comes in three phases. First, when you invest in locations like this, early entry, you want to invest in times when a place is coming up. Okay, sometimes before now, here used to be literal bush. But next phase of development is the clearing, which has been completed, and the signage mounted. In fact, it shows possession. So anything that would have happened, or maybe there's an issue, this thing wouldn't have gotten to this point. You see why the first or the locations you invest in matter greatly. The third thing is the affordability. Crystal Estate gives you an opportunity to invest very affordable. So if you're someone who is investing in real estate for the first time, you're someone who want to test the market, you want to check how real estate in Abuja works, this location gives you that opportunity. 150 square meters, you are getting at 7 million naira, where you can build your 3-bedroom terrace duplex, and we have 250 square meters where you can build your 4-bedroom fully detached duplex, and we also have 400 square meters where you can build your 5-bedroom fully detached duplex. Then the last category is the 750 square meters where you can build a block of flats. All the prices I'll be showing you in the description box and on the screen now. So you see that first we have a solid title. Secondly, we have, I'll call it, an upwardly mobile location where development is happening in every other time. Then the third one is affordability. So tell me one reason why you shouldn't invest in this location. See, this location gives you an advantage, and this advantage is massive ROI. If you've been hearing and thinking about ROI, this is where you can test run it and see that within 12 months, this location would have increased massively in price and in value for you. You'll be super happy that you invested early and at a point like this. So this is a final call for someone who is still thinking, how can I invest, or how should I invest? This point, invest before the price increase. The next price increase will be a 25% massive increase, and you don't want to experience that. So when you invest today, calling us on the number shown on your screen, you will be guaranteed that you get it at this literal pre-sale price. Okay, so any question you need about this location, let me know in the comment section so we can definitely take it up from there and ensure you invest in location like this. Remember, this is not just a massive estate, it's just a private residential location which you should own something, whether an apartment or rental income or even your house. Here also is it for you. Call us today, let's help you secure this piece. Crystal Estate is here to stay, and here's an opportunity for you to grab it.